What's up everybody? Welcome to Data. So today I'm going to show you how to download VLC media player for Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your browser. So I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any types of browser if you want. So right now, first thing first, you have to just click on search and then you have to type VLC media player and then search. So here you can see the first link of the website, official download of VLC media player. Click it and then the interface came. So click on download VLC. And here you can see the software started to download. Yeah. So in the next video, I will show you how to install it and make it as your default, as your default media player. Till then, goodbye.